Welcome to our video, where I will show you 5 health-benefiting reasons you should drink a spoonful of baking soda in water every day. Let's get into it, shall we? You may have never finished a container of baking soda, like ever. Sometimes it'll come out of hiding when you need an emergency exfoliant, but you've next to never actually ingested it. So why does it need to take up sacred pantry shelf real estate? The natural mineral sodium bicarbonate, aka baking soda, is an oft-overlooked but versatile ingredient that can be used for Pinterest-approved cleaning hacks, whitening teeth, and boosting health via beverages concocted from the stuff. That's right, baking soda might be the benefit-rich elixir of your dreams. And it's been stowed away in your pantry for maybe ever. Here are 5 different baking soda drink benefits and how they can help out your body. Number 1. To improve your digestive system. Trouble with digestion is the type of thing that can derail your day, especially if you're one to get nervous. If you're prone to tummy woes or just want to boost your general health, I advise dissolving a teaspoon of baking soda in an 8-ounce glass of water every morning to help maintain a healthy pH balance throughout the digestive system for optimal digestion, minimized acid reflux, and healthy bowel functions. Number 2. To promote cardiovascular health. A compromised cardiovascular system can lead to things such as decreased energy and negatively impacted mental functions, digestion, and immunity. Circulatory issues can lead to the possibility of serious health conditions, such as heart disease, chronic respiratory disease, and the development of various blood issues. A teaspoon of baking soda in an 8-ounce glass of water daily is said to detoxify blood and improve its flow by helping to break down blockages. Number 3. To reduce bloating. Once you know that you're dealing with a bloat and not inflammation, try relieving the uncomfortable situation with a teaspoon of baking soda dissolved in 4 to 6 ounces of water. By returning the pH to neutral levels, the body's gases can be calmed, and the digestive processes, acids, and enzymes can return to their natural state, and foods can be broken down normally without issues and disruptions, which reputedly helps alleviate the issues causing your bloat. Number 4. To keep your kidneys healthy. The kidneys are obviously vital to your bodily functions. They rid your body of toxins and promote healthy hormone production. And in a study conducted at the Royal London Hospital, 134 patients with advanced chronic kidney disease who had a daily dose of baking soda were able to, alongside regular treatment, slow the decline of their kidneys by 2/3, as compared to those who didn't have baking soda. With a daily cup of water with a teaspoon of baking soda, you can regulate your body's pH level and help improve your hormone balance, nutrient absorption, and blood quality, all of which can help your kidneys stay healthy. Number 5. To combat acid reflux. If you chronically suffer from acid reflux, you might consider adopting certain diet shifts to help lower heartburn as a long-term solution. But when you're dealing with a bout of it in real time, half a teaspoon of baking soda with a half a cup of water can help you find immediate relief against gastric acid symptoms. However, as with any antacid medication, if you take too much baking soda, you will neutralize the acid in your stomach. This can result in your stomach producing more acid to compensate, causing you to take more baking soda and thus forming a vicious cycle. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. For more amazing natural health remedies, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.